Miss Nelson. Okay, so I am doing a fake assessment. Probably it would have made more sense for me to get yours and do it, but here we are. So I'm just at that place where I'm creating the assessment, and I've chosen, I guess I should change my school year. My subject is science, my scope is RAPs and IAs, and grade level 6. I'm going to save this. Okay, so here's where you find and link standards. So I'm going to choose a subject area and scroll all the way down to Strive Prep. And yeah, that's your best option. Science, grade 6. I'm searching it. So now you can open up these and select the standards that are applicable. So let's say we're talking about water, even though that's an old thing we learned a while ago. But okay, so let's say this standard is covered. Use evidence to model how water is transferred through the earth, and then water on Earth is distributed and circulated through oceans, and blah, blah, blah. Identify problems and propose solutions related to water quality, and describe where water goes. And if there were other standards from other segments, you would open them up by just clicking on the plus sign. Okay, so link selected standards, that's what you click. Okay, now they're linked. Okay, so now you click on alignment. You get a screen that looks like this. So it has, I pretended my quiz had 10 questions, hence the 10 questions here, and these are the 4 standards we just chose. And so then you would look through your quiz and know which one goes with which. So this is a fantasy, but let's say questions 1, 3, and 6 all cover this first standard about the distribution of water on Earth. So I click on those for 1, 3, and 6. And then standard 2 is questions 8, 9, and 10. Again, this is arbitrary. I imagine standard 3 might be just question 2. And the last standard here is questions 4, 5, and 7. If you have a question that includes multiple standards, then you can double click. So let's pretend that question 7 actually tests identify problems and solution and describe where water goes after you use it. Okay. Then you click Save. And then this is probably the part you already know how to do, so I will not explain it. But you can see the linked standards here, and then from there, that's how we can get mastery per each standard for each student and for the class.